Jodolo mawuok e gwenge ma Mumias nochokore boma ma Kakamega bor riwruok ma dinde mopogore opogore mondo gitwag weche nade ma okwako kambi sukari ma Mumias. Kotelni gi Bishop Nicholas Olumasai, Otieno Eliakim ko jatend subkemba ma Mumias West Hamisi Omulisia. Jodolo go ko jatend piny William Ruto mondo mi okony gi e kedo gi midhiero masani omako kambi sukari ma Mumias. Kabende gichiwo siem ne josiasa kotelni gi seneta ma Kakamega Boni Alwali mondo thegre gidwaro margi giwegi ataro gidwaro mag jopur ma Mumias. Gidwaro mondo ndik report malero adimba chal mar kambino.
Mumias Sugar, before going under, was crushing 8,000 tons of cane, and current management is crushing only 800 tons. That's about 10% and below daily. There is also, number two, a lack of outgrower and agronomy services, being unable to recruit more farmers.
Now that there is a demand by Kenya Revenue Authority for Kenya shillings 3.5 billion arrears as at 2023 in terms of taxes, we now demand an elaborate report from the receiver manager appointed by the Kenya Commercial Bank and current management under SARBI to bring us a report up to speed on the entire process.
Wewe kama hauwezi kazi, ondoka ili mtu mwingine apatikane afanye hiyo kazi, kwa sababu you don't have the capacity ya kurun the factory of Mumias Sugar. Angalia vile watu wa Mumias wanaumia, watu wanalia. There is nothing ambayo wakulima wanafaitika na common mwananchi anafaitika.